I feel it taking hold, little overwhelmed underneath the surface. It's out of my control, trying to let it go, but I'm kinda nervous. Oh,